lights up to. Back stop, ready, go. Get ready to wind it when I say 222. Next stroke. Go. Roll. 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 Now wind. 1, 2. 1, 3. Right 4. Right 5. Get on the leg. Go. Think about those finishes, going up, hitting up, and gaining on the cruise ahead. Rocking into the centre of the boat. Float. Just the square early. Level hands, guys. Level hands. Hitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Sit tall. Sit tall. Squeezing it through. Sit tall. That's good. Make 31, Kevin. Maintain that, keeping it long and loose. Gaining on the signet boat, gaining on the boats ahead. Sitting up. Pushing through. Sit tall. Just the time, square early. Just lay off the water. That's good. Good rhythm. Length and a half signet boat. That's what we're watching. Good. That's really good. Maintain that. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Sitting tall. Sitting tall. Squeezing it through. Coming up to 3 boats ahead now. It's going to be interesting. Sitting tall. Squeezing it through. Sit tall. Float. 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 Sitting up. Sit tall. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Length ahead. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Squeezing it through. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Rate 30. Good. Keeping it long. That's great. Lock on stroke side. Watch your blade. Okay. Rock 4, move over. Move over 219. Keeping it through. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Signet. Moving to stroke side. Squeezing it through. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Squeezing through. Got signet. Got overlap. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Rate 32. Put it long, Kevin. Squeezing it through. That's good. Got first 3 man. Let's keep moving with them. That's good. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Squeezing through. Let it run. Squeeze. Let it run. Squeeze. Let it run. I've got their 2 man now. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Squeezing it through. Got the bow man. Lift the bows. That's good. Keeping it long and floating. Long and floating. Squeezing it through. Going to Milton Keynes now. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Heads up. Squeezing it through. Long and loose. Long and loose. Rate 30. That's great. One catch. One crew rowing together. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Float into front stop. Keeping it long. Coming up to Hammersmith Bridge. Squeezing it through. Sitting up tall. Long and loose and float. Float into front stop. Contact with Milton Keynes. That's good. Milton. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Milton Keynes. That's good. Keep it long, Kevin. Keep it long. That's great. And slow. And slow. Squeezing it through Milton Keynes. That's great. I've got that down on the head. That down. Head up. Squeezing it through. Keeping it long. Long. Heads up. And slow. Squeezing it through. Long and loose. Long and loose. It finishes. Keep them tidy now. One finish. And slow. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Squeezing it through. Keeping it long. Moving towards the next boat. Let's go. Slow. That's it. Good. Slow. From the recovery. Hands away. Body rock together. We got it, guys. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Make steady ones. Keeping it steady. That's good. Long and loose. Just tapping it along. Squeezing it through. You want that pedal, guys. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Middle of the boat. Middle of the boat. Rocking onto both feet. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Squeezing it through. Long and loose. Centre of the boat. Gaining on the boat in front. That's great. Hand tights, check them. That's good. Keeping it level. Squeezing it through. And I want you to point your toes at the finish of the groove there. And there. Heads up. Keeping it long. 3 boat lengths to the next groove. Long and loose. Long and loose. Sitting up. Heads up. Breathing. Pushing away from Hammersmith Bridge. Keeping it long. Get rid of that bit of brush. That's it. Float. Heads up. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Head up. Sitting up tall. Squeeze it on towards the next boat. Squeezing it through. Long and loose. Long and loose. Squeezing it through. Every stroke we're gaining on the boat ahead. That's great. Heads up. Sit up. Better being level. We're focusing on this. Sitting up tall. Long and loose. Long and loose. Keep the shoulders loose and push with the legs. That's good. Long and loose. 2.5 lengths through ahead. Sitting up tall. Squeezing through. Long and loose. Long and loose. Heads up. Squeezing it through. Keeping it long, Kevin. Long. That's it. Long and loose. Squeezing it through. Squeezing it through. Heads up, everyone. You're rocking together. Heads up. Squeezing it through. Squeezing it through. Chippy coming up now. About halfway. Squeezing it through. Long and loose. Long and loose. Sitting up tall. Head up. Squeeze it towards these other boats. That's good. We're on a rhythm. That's great. Just to try and get that blade off the water. Heads up. One catch. Squeezing it to you. Long float. Float into front stop. Length to the half now. Squeezing through. Length to the half. Heads up. Sitting up tall. Sit tall. Squeezing it through. Long and loose. Long and loose. 2 crews ahead there. Sitting up. Rock into the centre of the boat, guys. Sit up. Squeezing it through. Squeezing it through. Head up. Sitting up tall. Slow. It's a bit choppy. Level hands. Level hands. Level hands. Squeezing it through. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Hey guys, when you move over, let's go for it. Squeeze through. Move to your bow side. Let's go. Squeeze and send my crew. That's good. Great. Heads up. Sitting up tall. Sitting up tall. Long and loose. it together and float. Long and loose. Overtaking 218 to 214. Heads up. Long and loose. Long and loose. Let's just squeeze through it. That's great. Moving with 218. Sitting up tall. Long and loose. Heads up, everyone. Sit tall. Sit tall. Break 31. Keeping it long, Kevin. That's great. The hands moving round. Sitting up tall. Moving away from those other boats. Every stroke, think about pushing them away. Hand tight. Centre of the boat. And go. That's that adjustment. Good. Sitting up tall. Rocking into the centre of the boat. Focus. Squeezing through. Long and loose. Long and loose. Stoking it together. Great. You're having a fantastic row, guys. Let's keep it up. That's great. Squeezing it through. Let's keep going. We want that pennant. The novice pennant. Yeah. Squeezing it through. Sitting up tall. One crew. One catch. Squeezing it through. Desperately moving away from that other boat.
Yes.
Good. Heads up. Centre of the boat. And flow. Picking it up now. Heads up. Squeezing it through. Squeeze and send. That's great. Heads up. Long. Kevin floats. Floating into front stops. And squeezing with the legs. Squeeze and float. Squeeze and float. Long and strong. Heads up. Pushing it through. Rate 30. Sit up tall. Rocking from the pelvis. Long and strong. Long and strong. Squeezing it through. Sitting up. Keeping it strong. About 6 lengths to the next boat. Keeping it strong. Moving together. Squeezing it through. Long and strong. Keep it together, guys. Those finishes now. Finish together. Mark that finish position. Keep the hands moving round. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Heads up. You're fresh. You can't ask it for better than this. That's good. Rate 30. Keep it long. Look at those paddles and push them away. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Pushing it tall. Sit tall. Draw through. Focus on the legs rather than the arms. The arms are loose. The shoulders are loose and you're pushing with the legs as a crew. That's it. Rate 30. I'm happy with that. Keeping it long. Keeping it loose. Coming up to the bandstand now. Squeezing it through. Squeezing it through. That's good. Pushing off those other boats. Every stroke. Taking something out of them. Squeezing it through. Long and strong. Long and strong. One finish now together. Focus. Remember all hands. Telling you focus every stroke. Long and strong. Sitting up tall. Long on bow side. Lift your blades. Clear. Sitting up tall. Middle of the boat, guys. Keep it together. Sit up. It's the legs you're using. Legs. That's it. Push away. Push away. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it and sending it. Squeeze it through. That's great. Sitting up, keeping it long. Think about where you're drawing to. Long, let it run. Long, let it run. Long, let it run. Long and float. Long and float. Long and float. Long and loose. Your shoulders are loose. You're pushing with your legs. Sitting up tall. Coming up to Emmanuel School, Advanced Bridge. Keeping it long. Keeping it strong. You're the lead. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. You're rocking on both feet. Both feet. Squeezing it through. Long and strong. Squeezing and sending. That's good. Squeezing it through. Long and strong. Together. Let's focus. Place off the water. Go. Squeeze and send. We want to go catch this boating boat. Catching it. Good. Catch. Catch together. Catch together. Catch together. That's good. Sitting up tall. Sit up nice and tall. Moving together. Long and strong. Long and strong. Squeezing it through. Squeezing it together. That's great. You're doing a really good job, guys. Heads up, all of you. That's brilliant. Sitting up tall. Sitting up tall. Rocking from the pelvis. Good. Heads up. Relax shoulders on the catch. Pushing to the legs. Keeping those arms loose. Loose as you connect. Good. Great steering. Taking some distance out to the boat ahead. They're probably about 5 lengths now. Squeezing it through. Long and strong. Long and strong. Pushing it through. Let's get back in the stream. That's good. Squeezing it through. Yeah, we're gaining on them now. That's great. Heads up. Squeezing it through. This is the third quarter. This is where it hurts. Let's keep it together now. Rate 30. Heads up. Make sure you're breathing. Long and strong. Squeezing it through. Taking some more out of the boat ahead. Good. Squeezing it through. Squeezing it through. Let's go for that pennant. We're in a really good chance for this. Sitting up tall. Sit tall. Sit tall. Think about where you're drawing to. Just to try not to drag it. Centre of the boat. That's good. Squeezing it through. Sitting up. Sit tall. I can see Chiswick Bridge. Just over a kilometre to go now. Oh, don't jump on it. Get hold of the blade. Float. If your boat stops, we're gaining on that boat ahead. They're tiring. You're not. Strong. Big and strong. Weight 30. That's good. Level hands, guys. Let's keep this blade off the water. 4 lengths of the boat ahead. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Middle of the boat, guys. Keep focus every stroke. Long and strong. Long and float. Long. That's it, great. Squeezing it through. We're taking a little bit more out of them. Can you pass them before the finish line? Squeezing it through. Heads up. Sit tall. Long. Okay, focus on those legs. Relax the arms. Legs and glutes. Legs. Bring it open. Squeezing it through. Long and strong. Still at 4 lengths of them. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Long and strong. Yes, you can do it. Heads up. Sit tall. Middle of the boat. That's it, that's better. Middle of the boat. Good. And through. It's a ton stops. Carried it. 32. Keeping it long. Keeping it strong. That's good. Long and strong. Focus on the legs. Pushing off that foot stretches steadily. Centre the boat. Long. Are you drawing to the correct place? Look. Check. Heads up. Heads up. Jasper squared a bit earlier in. Middle of the boat. Okay, don't take it, Jasper. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Long and strong. Coming up to Chiswick Bridge now. Squeezing it through. Long. Long. Almost finishes out together. Long. Heads up. Drawing up. That's it. And float. Draw up. Heads up. Squeezing it through. Gains a little bit on that boat ahead. 3.5 lengths. Let's keep it long. Keeping it strong now. Heads up and look at this bridge. Sit up tall. Rock to the pelvis. Rocking to the pelvis. One crew. Long and strong. Long and strong. We're working on that crew ahead. Squeezing it through. Sitting up tall, float. Centre the boat, guys. Keep it there. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. Squeeze and send. Strong. You've done most of the work now. Let's start thinking about home. Heads off. Squeeze and send. Squeeze and send. Center the boat. Focus. Let's get it together. Squeeze and send. Long, long, long and strong. Push off that foot stretcher. 3.5 lengths. Straining on that boat ahead by a lot. We're moving towards it. That's great. Sitting up tall. Squeeze and send. Heads up. Those finishers, are they in? Sitting up tall. Pushing it through. Sit tall. Let's squeeze and send. Wow, what a row, guys. That's great. 32. Long. Long and strong. Let's keep going. Sitting up tall. Squeezing it through. 600 to go. Let's go for it. Squeeze, keep it together. Squeeze, keep it together. Heads up. Keep breathing. 2.5 lengths to that boat ahead. Let's drop those blades in and lock on. Middle of the boat. Pushing it through now. 32. Legs. Legs and loose. Legs and loose. Heads up. Sit tall. Sit tall. Squeezing it through. Lock and loose. Let's push it through now. 100 yards to the finish. Heads up. Float. Lock on. Heads up. Long and loose. 50 yards. Squeezing it through. 2.5 lengths to that boat ahead. Squeeze through. Right down. 664 feet.